Hello everybody, my name is Dave. I'm going to show you what happens when you change the policy in which the stats object is using. Then the stats object compliance is shown out of date. So in this scenario, somebody goes to the policies and profiles, clicks on the vSAN default policy, which is the one that the stats object is using. Under the figure, okay, let's change a couple things. In this case, we're just going to add some rules but not change the defaults. This is my lab, so it doesn't really matter. So we're going to reapply that to the VMs, and I want to do it now. So you can do that at the end of the wizard. You say save changes, yes, and boom, that's going to go out and apply that to my VMs. Now we can see here that some of the VMs that refresh pretty quickly, so they're all showing compliant. We can double check the compliance again, and they all look good, right? So if we go back to host and clusters, we go back to the cluster. This is a vSAN hybrid, and we can see that on the configure and health and performance, the performance service and the stats object is showing as out of date. So if you remember in the wizard, we're applying that policy to the VMs only and the objects, but the stats object's not really an object that belongs to a VM per se. So all we have to do is go to edit storage policy. We don't have to touch that unless you want to change the policy. I just click OK. And that's going to bring that back to compliant. It's going to apply that to this specific object. Thanks.